However, I'd like to just say how happy I am you agreed to marry me and how much of an honour and joy it gives me to call you my wife, something I will never tire of. I think everyone will agree on how beautiful you are looking today, and as you walked down the aisle, I had to look twice because you look so different, not in your Hollisters and your Tina Park hoodie. You have made me the luckiest man alive today, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. So will everyone please raise your glass and toast to the new Mrs. Goers.
Linzi and David would like to thank everybody for being here today. All of you are very important to their life, and all of you played an important part in being here today. And they know that your life is very busy, but to take time out to be here in this very beautiful island of Koh Samui, they really appreciate it. And for the individuals that could not be here, they want to let you know that they are holding them dear to their heart.
Came to me. Came to me.
I never knew what true happiness was until I got married, but by then, of course, it was too late. But seriously, after 30-odd years of marriage, the quote that sticks out to me was this: a perfect marriage is just two imperfect people who refuse to give up on each other. Second piece of advice: David, if you're out shopping, remember to hold Linzi's hand, because if you let go, she'll start shopping. It looks romantic and it'll save you money.
I, David, affirm my love to you, Linzi, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most beautiful, smart and generous person I have ever known, and I promise always to respect you and love you with kindness, unselfishness and trust. I will work by your side to create a wonderful life together. I take you, Linzi, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, for as long as we both shall live.
Take my hand in this empty room. You're my girl and I'm your groom. Come to me, my sweetest friend. This is where we start again.
I, Linzi, affirm my love to you, David, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most beautiful, smart and generous person I have ever known, and I promise always to respect you and love you. With kindness, unselfishness and trust, I will work by your side to create a wonderful life together. I take you, David, to be my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, for in sickness and in health, for as long as we both shall live.
When the sunshine beckons to ya and your wings begin to unfold, I thought you bringing the songs you sing are gonna keep me from the cold. And if a soul is hidden among ya and its words may wound my soul, you can fill me up with what you got, cause my heart's been a keeping on. She is love.
Linzi, with this ring,
I ask you to be my wife.
I ask you to be my wife.
To be with me.
To be with me.
Wherever life leads us.
Wherever life leads us.
To be my partner forever.
To be my partner forever.
Do you accept this ring?
Do you accept this ring?
As a sign of my love.
As a sign of my love.
I do.
She
David, with this ring,
David, with this ring,
I ask you to be my husband,
I ask you to be my husband,
to be with me
to be with me
wherever life leads us,
whenever life leads us,
to be my partner forever.
to be my partner forever.
Do you accept this ring
Do you accept this ring
as a sign of my love?
as a sign of my love?
I do.
She is love, and I believe her when she speaks. Love, and her ways are high and steep. She is love.
Linzi and David, you stood before me as witnesses and have shared your vows and have agreed to be married. It is a great honor to officially declare you husband and wife. David, you may seal your vows with a kiss.
She is love.
Ladies and gentlemen, please clap.
And I believe her when she speaks. Love, and her ways are high and steep. She is love, and I do believe her when she speaks.
All joking aside, Cooley's been my best pal for years, and he's been lucky enough to find himself a beautiful and loving bride in Linzi. I wish them all the best and would like to toast to their future. Ladies and gentlemen, to the bride and groom.
She is love.